Hey everybody, Austin here. We are at the Palmary home here today in Nocatee in the new Webb here. Webb Nocatee. We do a one take. Gonna run through this house, see what you think. So coming in the front door, immediately to the right, got the bedroom. Full bathroom right there. Office space. And to the left we have our garage entry. To the left from the front door, and this is where the house is sitting, with the laundry there. And good storage space here. Oops, going into the walls here. Alright, so coming into the kitchen. Around into the little dining area, living room space, and sunroom area down here. This Palmary is 1858 to 1969 square foot, 2 to 3 bedroom, 2 bath, 2 car garage, and a pretty good sized pantry right there. Sunroom here, I believe it's optional. So we can check out the mechanicals here. And into the master. I love having this hallway space here between the main house and the master. Just a little bit of extra separation. Light and bright. Tub and shower in here. Shiny countertops. 2 bowls. Commode. Linen closet. And master closet. Alright, this is the Palmary in Webb, the new Webb in Nocatee, Webb Nocatee. And let's move on to the next one.